Hi guys, once again we are here with a very important update regarding day one. So those who have recently got their mail that their day one is scheduled for 25 of the August. Okay, so they just receive a mail today approx 9 p.m. that was subject name as get ready for a day one. So what was inside that mail that you need to visit the countdown to Accenture page and you need to fill the required form, the necessary documentation 1 week prior to your first day. Okay, suppose your first day is scheduled for 25th of the August, then your portal will unlock at 18th August or 17th August, 1 week prior to it. Okay, so what kind of a documentation you need to fill? I have made a separate video regarding that. You may go and watch that video. What you have to do, you have to log in using your personal mail ID as the username, and you need not to remember your password. Okay, you need to set up your password. You may just go and you need to set up your password, then you are good to go. You may go to a section that was named as action item page, and on that action item page what you need to just print the complete form. Okay, and you need to bring it on your first day. Bring it on your first day in the sense, suppose your onboarding is physical. Okay, and mostly in the case the onboarding is virtual, so what you have to do, you have to just scan the entire copy with your signed signature and you need to upload it on there only. Okay, you are also required to upload a copy of your PAN and Aadhaar card. If you do not have these, you need to apply it. So I think that almost everyone will have their PAN and Aadhaar, so you need to just upload it before 1 week your date of joining. Okay, so those who have just received the mail on 5th of the August regarding their date of joining, that their date of joining has been scheduled for 25 of the August. Okay, and many have still not received any kind of a mail, nothing from Accenture. Okay, so what they have to do, so let me just tell you that many just receive a mail today regarding to gear up for their skill. Okay, they have to go to countdown to Accenture portal, and there is a 30,000 plus course. They may explore various course and they may work on it. But if you have not received any mail from Accenture, need not to worry. Okay, suppose the date is 8th of the August, and I think in this week there is a 3 to 4 holiday also, so you need to wait for 10 to 14 days approx. By next week another phase of onboarding will happen, and some more student will get their onboarding date, their first date. So in a batch wise manner the entire process is going on, so you need not to worry. Many have got their date on July, many are getting their date in August, and many will get in September. So need not to worry for that. These 3 months are very crucial for those who have still not received any kind of a mail from Accenture. So please be patient and need not to worry, you will get it for sure. And please share and subscribe the channel, and once again thank you for watching the video.